Students, you are most welcome to the eMath learning platform for the second assessment of O-level mathematics. Now, for a few updates, we are supposed to be aware that next week, by around Monday, we shall be posting the first solutions that will be for section A of this assessment. Then probably Tuesday, we shall be posting the second part, that will be the section B type questions in terms of solutions. Then probably on Wednesday of next week, we shall be posting the next assessment, and that will be assessment 3. I'm going to take you through these questions briefly. Going to be giving a few seconds for you to look at each question. And like I said, you can always play and pause so that you can be able to copy all the information well. So another thing is that you have to remember to subscribe in case you have not yet, because when you subscribe, you will always be automatically updated whenever I add on any information that may be very important for you. Now let's see, scroll to question 1. Question 1 is under inequalities. Yeah, I think that is very clear there. Then question 2 is under circles. I think that is also clear. Remember, this is 9.0 centimeters and this is 120 degrees. Then the question attached to question 2 is this one here. Determine the shortest distance between the chord and the center. Then the area of the triangle POQ. Let's move on to question 3. Question 3, I think, is that very clear. Can take it together with question 4, 5, and even part of question 6. Yeah. So I think that can be easily copied down. Then probably you can move on to the complete part of question 6, question 7, question 8, and question 9. So that is also okay. Still section A. Then finally, for section A, we have question 10 under bases. Let's move quickly to section B. And like we said in the previous assessment, we had 14 questions in total. Even this one, we shall have 14 questions. But remember, the standard is 17 questions for any standard paper of mathematics. But since we're just revising and making shorter videos, we are trying to save data for some people out there. So question 11 is under functions, as you can see. Yes. Then probably you can look at part B of it, and also question 12 can be captured. So part B of question 11 is there. Then 12 is under sets. You can look at it to completion. It also has parts. There is part A, which we are going to look at. Part A, part B, part C, and part C is divided into Roman 1 and Roman 2, which I feel you can now easily copy. Then question 13, under quadratic curves. These are good questions that can always appear in most of the examinations. Not the same questions, but similar questions can always appear. Then question 14, finally. Part A we are solving, and if you're keen enough, this is obtained from two simultaneous equations. So it means you're simply solving simultaneous equations using the matrix method. So you're at liberty to use any method of your choice. That is the adjoint method, the determinant method, or you can even use the inverse method. Yeah. So this is question 14. Question 14 can continue to Roman 2, Roman 3, and that brings us to the end of our question paper. So being the 30th of December 2020, I wish you a happy new year. That will be tomorrow, probably by midnight, if God allows us to get there. And like you said, your neighbor is around the corner, so we have to prepare even when we are home. Please remember to keep home and keep safe, because COVID is real. With this, allow me to say, have the best time as you prepare for your examinations, and success.